See two lattice panels below the porch. On the left is permanent, on the right is an access panel. Notice how they're both recessed below the porch floor fascia board. Here it is. This is the one. I have a little path, and I also have a piece of metal to hold it in so it doesn't fall down. That really should be painted though to match. On the bottom, I have some blocks just so the lattice does not sit on the dirt. This is a good idea really all over. Probably bricks are the best though, but here I have a wide area so it's easy to pull it out. Because if I have a layer of bricks, you really don't have that much leeway to loosen this up. So what I'm going to do is open this up here, and then I'm just going to pull this out. It really could be a little bit higher, so it should stick onto there and you have to like kind of play around with getting it out. Okay, so under here you see my mess. This over here is the piece of wood that is on all the piers, but the lattice panels are screwed in. Here it just rests against here so it doesn't fall in underneath the porch. So this is really all you need. You can probably rig up a better setup than I have with this little metal clip that keeps it in from falling out into the bushes. Sometimes when it's windy, yes, it does move a little bit, but it stays in. It doesn't fall out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I really encourage you to visit our website for a pretty thorough education. We also have a monthly newsletter you can subscribe to. Always remember, let the buyer beware. Please be careful of window salespeople and unqualified contractors for your historic home.